Hello, in this Dart programming video, I am going to show you the while loop. We have a for loop here. If this looks a bit unfamiliar, I recommend checking out the for loop video first. So if we just quickly run it so you can see what happens, it goes from 0 to 100 and it basically just squares it by times in I by itself. Pretty simple. What you do inside of it is totally up to you. A while loop is similar to a for loop, but the main difference is that you aren't specifically setting up any variables inside of the for loop declaration here. You aren't adding any code that is run at the end of each pass either. So if, for example, I comment this out. So while loops are great if you've already got the variable set up outside, maybe you've been using it before the loop. So let's just say I've created it for whatever reason here. And then to do a while loop, you just do while, curly braces as well. Here you put your condition. So while I is less than or equal to 100, and that is it. And if we were to do print I times I, let's see what we get. So you might be thinking nothing's running, and it's basically crashed because it's in an infinite loop now, because this application is not ending. It's just constantly being run due to the fact that there's no condition. We do need to specify some sort of condition. So let me just reload the page. Okay, so where we would put the condition is literally just at the end of our line right here at the end of the loop. So we just put I++. Obviously, this is, assuming that maybe the condition is sort of part of the code as well. But if we run it, we will get the same result now. So that's the difference between a while loop and a for loop. For loop has any variable declarations that that you're going to be using for the loop, the condition. Don't want to do that. The condition and anything that you want to do to that variable at the end of each pass of the loop. Whereas a while loop, the only thing that it requires really is the condition. It assumes that the variables that it's going to be using have already been set up, and that the actual thing that's modifying this value so this condition can eventually be false is being triggered inside of the loop. Apart from that, while loop and for loop run exactly the same. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to pop me a message. And as usual, I look forward to seeing you in the next video.